Hey everyone, Graham here. Okay, I have to tell you something that's been absolutely blowing my mind lately. And honestly, I can't believe more people aren't talking about this strategy. You know how I've been a bit doom and gloom recently about devaluations and price increases? Well, today I've got some genuinely exciting news that's going to restore your faith in the Canadian credit card game. What if I told you there's a way to earn incredibly valuable and flexible points? The kind that you can get business class flights to Europe and Asia for less money than you'd probably be spending on your current setup. And what if I told you this strategy actually gives you more earning potential than the famous Amex Cobalt, with no spending caps, and your card works everywhere because it's a Visa? I'm talking about the RBC Avion and ION Plus combo that nobody is talking about but should be. This is the hidden gem of Canadian credit card strategy. And once you understand how it works, you're gonna wonder why anyone pays premium annual fees for limited acceptance when you can get amazing value with this setup. Quick heads up before we dive in. If this strategy sounds appealing to you and you want to get a new card, I'd really appreciate if you use my referral links in the description below to apply. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you videos like this. So grab your calculator and a coffee, because I'm going to show you the credit card strategy that's been hiding in plain sight and why I think it might be the best points earning setup in Canada. The strategy that changes everything. All right, let me lay out this strategy that has me genuinely excited about Canadian credit cards again. This isn't about chasing massive welcome bonuses, applying for a bunch of cards, or paying huge annual fees. This is about building a simple, powerful, long-term earning machine. The strategy is beautifully simple. You get two RBC cards that work together in perfect harmony: the RBC Avion Visa Infinite card and the RBC ION Plus Visa card. Together, they create something magical that most people have no idea exists. This is the genius part that RBC doesn't really advertise. You can transfer your points from your ION Plus card, which earns what RBC calls Avion Premium points, to your Avion Infinite card, which holds Avion Elite points at a perfect 1-to-1 ratio instantly, all within your online account. Why does this matter? Because that ION Plus card has some of the best earning rates and categories in Canada. 3x points on groceries, dining, food delivery, ride shares, gas, EV charging, streaming, and digital gaming. However, when you transfer them to the Avion Elite tier, suddenly those same exact points can transfer to incredible airline partners like British Airways, Cathay Pacific, or American Airlines, often with bonuses. Think about it. You're earning 3x points at the grocery store on your ION Plus, then transferring them to your Avion Elite account, then transferring them to British Airways, often with a 30% bonus. Following that grocery spending just became worth 3.9 times points towards business class flights to Europe. The welcome bonuses that make this incredible. Now here's where the strategy goes from pretty good to absolutely incredible. The current welcome bonuses are some of the best we've seen from RBC, and they expire November 25th, 2025. RBC Avion Visa Infinite Welcome Bonus. Get up to 55,000 Avion points as a welcome bonus. Here's how it breaks down. You get 35,000 points on approval, which is super generous, and then you get 20,000 bonus points when you spend $5,000 on the card in the first 6 months of owning it. The RBC ION Plus Visa Welcome Bonus. Get up to 21,000 total points, 7,000 as a welcome bonus, and 14,000 bonus points when you spend $1,500 on the card in the first 6 months of owning it. The 90-day rule you need to know. Here's the crucial part. RBC will only approve one credit card application every 90 days. This means you need to be strategic about which card you get first. My recommendation? Start with the Avion Infinite if you can comfortably spend $5,000 on the card in 6 months. This is the highest welcome bonus we've seen from RBC in a long time. If $5,000 and spend over 6 months sounds like too much, start with the ION Plus and begin building up points that you can transfer later to the Avion Infinite. The card breakdown. Let me break down exactly what you're getting with each card and why this combo is so powerful. RBC ION Plus Visa Card. $48 annual fee. This is your earning powerhouse. For just $48 per year, you get 3x points on groceries, dining and food delivery, ride shares and public transit, gas and EV charging, streaming services, digital gaming, and subscription, plus 1x points on everything else. Now here's what makes this incredible. There are no spending caps on 3x categories. You can spend $5,000 per month on groceries if you want, and you'll earn 3x points on every dollar. Compared that to the Amex Cobalt's $2,500 monthly cap on 5x categories. That is an excellent value proposition for high spenders. RBC Avion Visa Infinite Card, $120 annual fee. This is your gateway to premium redemptions. You earn 1x points on all purchases and 1.25 on travel book through RBC's portal. But the real magic isn't earning, it's what these elite tier points can do. Your Avion Elite points can transfer to British Airways Executive Club, also known as BA Avios, often with 30% bonuses, Cathay Pacific Asia Miles, American Airlines Advantage, and WestJet rewards. The math. Total annual fees is $48 plus $120 equals $168 per year. The total welcome bonuses, 55,000 points plus 21,000 points equals 76,000 points. Compare that to the Amex Cobalt at $191.88 per year with only 15,000 welcome points. And you're saving money while getting 5 times more welcome points. Your cards work everywhere because they're visas, and you have no spending caps on high earn categories. And finally, you can get access to those amazing airline transfer partners. How the transfer magic works. Let me walk you through exactly how this transfer system works because this is where the real value lies. Step 1, earn on your ION Plus. You use your ION Plus card at all those 3x categories: groceries, dining, gas, streaming, whatever. These points accumulate as Avion Premium points on your ION Plus account. Step 2, transfer to Avion Elite. Within your RBC online banking, you can instantly transfer those points from your ION Plus to your Avion Visa at a perfect 1-to-1 ratio. No fees, no waiting, no conversion loss. Step 3, transfer to airlines, often with bonuses. Now your points are Avion Elite tier, which opens up those amazing airline transfer partners. RBC has historically ran 30% transfer bonuses to British Airways twice a year in fall and spring. They have also recently introduced transfer bonuses to Cathay and American as well. The real world example with welcome bonuses. This is where the math gets absolutely incredible. Let's say you get both cards and hit the welcome bonuses. That's Avion Infinite gets you 55,000 points, the ION Plus gets you 21,000 total points, which equals 76,000 points right off the bat. Now add up your ongoing earning. Spend $500 on the month on the card in the 3x categories on your ION Plus. That's $6,000 a year, earning 3 times points equals 18,000 more points annually. Transfer everything to your Avion Elite account. 76,000 points plus 18,000 points equals 94,000 points. Then transfer those to British Airways during a 30% bonus. You now have 122,200 Avios. There are so many great ways to redeem 122,000 Avios points. If you want to get the most value, here are a few options. You could get 3 one-way business class flights from the East Coast to Madrid in low season, 34,000 points each. These are on Iberia, and Iberia has even announced direct flights are coming between Toronto and Madrid. Right now, you'll have to settle going through New York or Boston to get to Europe at this low price. Or 1 round-trip business class flight to Europe with points left over on partners like British Airways or Finnair, or multiple premium economy flights to various worldwide destinations. All of this from welcome bonuses plus 1 year of grocery spending. Why this beats other strategies? Let me tell you why I'm so bullish on this strategy compared to other popular Canadian credit card approaches. Versus the Amex Cobalt. Cheaper annual fees, $168 versus $191.88. Massive welcome bonus, 76,000 points versus 15,000 points. No spending caps on high earn categories, cards accepted everywhere except for Costco as it's a Visa versus Amex, and transfer bonuses happen regularly. You do earn slightly less points per dollar spent on the Visa ION Plus versus the Amex Cobalt, but these other factors still give the Avion and ION an edge in my opinion. Versus premium single cards. Much lower annual fees than platinum level cards, still get access to premium redemption opportunities. 2 cards mean you can optimize different spending categories versus cashback cards. Points open up travel experiences you'd never pay cash for. Transfer bonuses multiply your earning power, and access to premium airline products at a fraction of the cost. The transfer partners that make it worthwhile. Let me break down why these transfer partners are so valuable and what you can actually do with your points. British Airways Executive Club Avios. This is the crown jewel of the RBC Avion transfer partners. British Airways Avios gives you access to the entire One World Alliance, including Qatar Airways Q Suites Business Class, arguably the world's best, Japan Airlines Business Class, Iberia Business Class to Europe for incredible value, and Finnair's unique business class to Scandinavia. The regular transfer bonuses make this even better. I've personally used 30% bonuses multiple times to book incredible redemptions. Cathay Pacific Asia Miles, perfect for getting to Hong Kong and throughout Asia. While the program has seen some devaluations, it's still excellent for specific routes, especially from the West Coast to Hong Kong. American Airlines Advantage. This transfer is less favorable at 1 to 0.7 ratio, but it opens up some unique redemption opportunities, especially for premium cabin flights on Etihad Airways and other American partners. Real redemption examples. Let me share some real examples of what's possible with this strategy, because this isn't theoretical, these are bookings I've made or seen others make. Example 1, Europe Business Class. I've used Avios transferred from RBC with bonus to book Iberia business class from New York to Madrid for 34,000 Avion points plus about $200 in fees. That same flight costs over $4,000 in cash. Example 2, Qatar Airways Q Suites. From North America to Doha in Qatar's incredible Q Suites for only 70,000 Avios plus fees. These flights regularly cost $6,000 plus in cash, but with points earned from grocery and dining spending, they suddenly become accessible. Example 3, Japan Airlines business class. I recently booked JAL business class from Honolulu to Tokyo for 60,000 Avios. One of the hardest redemptions to find, but made possible through British Airways booking engine. The key insight, all of these premium redemptions become possible through everyday spending on groceries, dining, and gas, while you're earning 3 times points without caps. Plus, with those massive welcome bonuses and transfer bonuses, those give you a huge head start. Who should use this strategy? This strategy isn't for everyone, but it's perfect for a specific type of person, and I think that describes a lot of my viewers. Perfect for people who want premium travel experiences without premium annual fees, people with significant grocery and dining spending, anyone frustrated with Amex acceptance issues, travelers who prefer flexibility over single airline loyalty, and people who like the earn and burn approach to point. This might not be right for people who prefer cashback simplicity, travelers loyal to a specific airline program, those who want to maximize earning on business expenses, and people who don't want to manage multiple cards. The sweet spot spender. If you're spending $300 plus on those 3x categories, this strategy really starts to shine. That's $10,800 plus points per year just from those categories, not counting everything else or the massive welcome bonuses. Advanced tips for maximizing value. Here are some advanced strategies to maximize this setup. Tip number 1, time your transfers. Don't transfer your points until the airline until you're ready to book. Keep them in your Avion account and transfer when you find a great redemption or when there's a transfer bonus. Tip number 2, stack with shopping portals. Use airline shopping portals when making online purchases to stack points on top of your 3x earning on the ION Plus. Tip number 3, monitor transfer bonuses. RBC has regularly been offering 30% bonuses to British Airways. Sign up for their emails and be ready to transfer when these promotions happen. Tip 4, use both cards strategically. Use the ION Plus for the 3x categories and the Avion Infinite for travel bookings that can earn 1.25 points. The competitive landscape. Let me put this strategy into context with what else is available in the Canadian market right now. While other banks are raising fees and reducing benefits, RBC has quietly maintained this incredibly valuable setup. This feels to me like one of the last sweet spots in the Canadian credit card system. A genuinely undervalued strategy that delivers premium results for reasonable fees. Getting started. If this strategy appeals to you, here's exactly how to get started, keeping in mind the 90-day application rule. Option 1, higher spender strategy. If you can comfortably spend $5,000 on the card in the first 6 months, 1, apply for the RBC ION Visa Infinite card first and get that 55,000 point welcome bonus. 2, hit the $5,000 spending requirement in 6 months to earn the extra 20,000 points. 3, wait 90 plus days, then apply for the RBC ION Visa. 4, hit the $1,500 spending requirement on the ION Plus. 5, start transferring your ION Plus points to your Avion Infinite account. Option 2, conservative spender strategy. If $5,000 spend feels like too much in 6 months, 1, apply for the RBC ION Visa first, easier $1,500 spending requirement. 2, hit that spending requirement to earn the smaller welcome bonus and start earning 3x points. Wait 90 plus days and then apply for the RBC Avion Visa Infinite card. You don't need to earn the full welcome bonus to still get value from this card. Step 4 for both, start using the ION Plus for all 3x categories and the Avion for travel purchases. And step 5 for both, monitor transfer bonuses and be ready to move points to airline partners when good opportunities arise. If you've decided this RBC combo makes sense for your spending patterns and travel goals, I've included referral links for both cards in the description below. Using these links doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help support the channel and allows me to keep discovering and sharing strategies like this. Remember, those incredible welcome bonuses expire November 25th, 2025. So if you're interested, don't wait too long. And keep in mind the 90-day rule when planning your applications. I have to say, it feels really good to be genuinely excited about a Canadian credit card strategy again. After talking about devaluations and price increases, covering this RBC combo has been like discovering a hidden gem. Thanks for watching. Now go forth and earn some points efficiently. See you in the next video.